At Fauji Cement, commitment, precision, reliability, accountability, and above all, customer satisfaction are not just mere words. Here, we translate them into every single step we take to deliver what we call truly world-class quality. That's why we are the undisputed leaders in the cement manufacturing industry of Pakistan. Backed by Fauji Foundation, we began our journey in 1992 and went on gathering success nationwide and setting precedents for others. Today, we are one of the largest cement producers in the country, with a capacity of producing over 3.4 million tons of cement annually. With our head office in Rawalpindi, Pakistan, we have installed 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants at Jhang Bahadur, Tehsil Fateh Jhang, Attock district to meet the ever-rising demand of our diversified portfolio of clients in Pakistan and abroad. Each plant is equipped with latest equipment from international equipment suppliers, FLS Denmark and Policius Germany, one each for the 2 plants. These plants are known for their high efficiencies and best quality production and are well maintained according to international standards of production. At the same time, equal importance is given to health, safety and security of our workers. In this regard, we continue to update our standard operating procedures, which ensure a risk-free environment at our plants. Over the years, Fauji cement products have become the most preferred choice of country's mega projects, ranging from dams to bridges, flyovers to airports, highways to motorways, industrial complexes to large-scale residential projects, and the list goes on. Due to the highest compressive strength, which supersedes all prevailing national and international standards, our best quality, ordinary Portland cement is rated the best in the industry and is used for general construction purposes, reinforced concrete buildings and bridges, pavements, precast structures, heavy and high-rise structures. Fauji Cement is also producing low-alkali cement of superior quality called Fauji Low-Alkali Portland Cement, which is mostly used in heavy structures like power generation plants, dams, runways, skyscrapers and flyovers. Fauji Cement also produces sulfate-resistant cement, which is a type of Portland cement having low tricalcium aluminate C3A content. Our sulfate-resisting cement is specially designed to protect the concrete structures from the risk of sulfate and salt attacks due to seepage or saline soil. It also provides improved durability to concrete, reducing the risk of deterioration of the structure. Mostly used in waterlogged submerged structures like dams, seawalls, reservoirs, swimming pools and basements, etc. While our ISO certifications determine our passion for quality and excellence, our numerous awards in carrying out corporate social responsibility reaffirm our pledge to pay back to the deprived sections of the society. In this pursuit, we have made 15 years of valuable contribution in the field of education, healthcare, environment, sports, natural resources conservation, municipal waste management, and rehabilitation. Some of our corporate social responsibility initiatives include Fauji Model School, Merit and Need-Based Scholarships, Technical Training Institute, Medical Dispensary with free medicine and checkup facilities, Children Park, sports galas and tournaments. Fauji Cement also strongly believes in an environment-friendly concept. Here, we strive for creating a healthier environment by supporting tree plantation initiatives. Use of latest technology and waste heat utilization complying with international standards for emission. Fauji Cement is also well aware of the current energy crisis in the country. Therefore, it has installed a 12-megawatt power generation plant by utilizing waste heat produced by cement plant, thus reducing emission of CO2 by 40,000 tons yearly. Fauji Cement is not only the first choice of the domestic customers, but it is also a preferred brand in export markets like Afghanistan, India, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, and South Africa. We feel proud to be one of the biggest contributors in the national economy by adding foreign exchange worth millions of dollars to the national exchequer. Sales and marketing is the backbone of the Fauji Cement, which plays a pivotal role in the success of the company. Without their contribution, it was simply not possible to rise above the ordinary and deliver the best in the cement industry. At Fauji Cement, we believe it is not only about delivering quality, but it is also about cementing a world of opportunities which pave the path of progress and help achieve prosperity in the region. Fauji Cement Company, cementing a world of opportunities.